We will be performing conditional formatting our data on our data. So this is our data. So we will click on this column, we will click, and then we will click on the condition formatting, and we can give a background color as like we can change as the lowest color should be in red and the highest color should be in, let's say, green, right? And if I click OK, then it will give me the background color for this. And if I put any other, for example, this one, right? So this one is in percentage, so we can change it into the percentage. And for this also we can give a different condition formatting. We can give it as icons or data bars. So I will click on icons, and then we can mention whatever value is greater than equal to 0, less than, then it should give us this icon or this icon or this icon. So I will just click OK, and you can see the icons are available here. So this is how you use background colors and icons in your table. Thank you for watching.